Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JVC headphones and I'm going to tell you how can you easily fix the issue that only one earbud is working. So at first you have to open settings and here you have to go into connected devices. Now scroll down until you see connection preferences and here you have to go into Bluetooth. If you're on iPhone you have to enter your settings and then Bluetooth. Now we have to open our case. And here we have to check if here is clean, here is clean, and the same here and here. If there is, now we have to check if our headphones can charge. As you can see, mine does. Now check if you can connect. If there was some dust, you just have to clean it. And now you have to check if you can connect with your headphones. If you can connect with your headphones, that's great, and if your second bud works, that's great too. But if your second bud doesn't work, you have to do a hard reset. To do a hard reset, check our channel. And now, if your second bud is working, that's very great. If it doesn't, you have to contact the device support. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.